Hello, we are Sea and Sky team from Thailand. We are going to qualify RoboCup at home education standard platform. The task that we do is receptionist Pepper. Receptionist Pepper will take care of the customer by finding the seat and taking the order. Then go to tell John or the owner of the shop about the customer information and order. When we start running, the Pepper will act like he was fighting something or someone. Then he will say hello after he detecting our face. Then if we reply hi, Pepper will ask if we want some drink. If we say no, Pepper will say never mind, have a nice day, goodbye. But if we say yes, he will take in an order by asking what we would like to drink. The example of the drink that I will use is Coke. Then after he asks the drink, he will ask our name. The example of the name is Bill. Then he will ask our gender. When he finished taking all the information, he will bring us to the table by say please follow me to the table, and he will bring us to the middle of the room to look for the table. Then he will tell us to sit at the table and tell us that he will go to John and tell him the order. Please wait, John will serve your drink. And after that, Pepper will go to the counter to John. And after Pepper detecting face, he will say, if you are John, say taking order. So we are going to reply taking order. Then the Pepper will tell John all the information and the order of the customer. But if we don't get the information, let's reply no. Then he will repeat all the information again. And if we get it, we say yes. After that, he will take care of another customer at the front of the store. After Pepper comes back to the front of the store, he will look to detecting your face and say hello again. And for this round, I will change the example of the drink and the name. He is taking order. Then I will say another example of the drink is juice. Another example of the name is Jimmy, female. As you see, Pepper can remember the name as it changed, the name and the drink as it changed. Here is all the program that we made. Thank you very much.